Hi, this video is going to be a quick overview of algae. Let's get started. Algae are eukaryotic organisms. And similar to fungi, algae can be unicellular, single-celled, or multicellular, composed of many cells. Algae have cell walls, and in their cell walls, they contain cellulose. Cellulose is an organic compound, specifically a polysaccharide. Poly referring to many, saccharide referring to sugars. So by definition, cellulose contains many sugars. Cellulose is also the primary component or the primary substance that you'll find in the cell wall of algae. And similar to what chitin does for the cell wall of fungi, cellulose provides strength and rigidity to the cell walls of algae. Algae can reproduce sexually or asexually. If reproduction is done sexually, you're going to need two alga, which is the singular form of algae, in order for reproduction to occur. If it's done asexually, you only need one alga, and they can reproduce via cell division or by forming spores. Algae tend to generally live in aqueous environments such as in rivers, in lakes, in seas, freshwater, saltwater, and sometimes even soil. Algae are photosynthetic, meaning that they can produce their own food using light. So they use light to make their own food. And here I'm just going to depict one way that algae can look. But algae come in various shapes and sizes. And as a byproduct of algae performing photosynthesis, they produce oxygen. And fun fact about algae, the number one producer of oxygen on Earth is the, drumroll please, is the phytoplankton. Which is a type of algae. So up here is an image of a type of algae that is microscopic. And another example of algae that you might be more familiar with is seaweed. Which is macroscopic, meaning it's big enough that we don't need a microscope to view it. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share.